How do parts get exiled? In the world of IFS, we explore the gentle and profound ways our inner parts can become exiled. Here are 3 simple yet enlightening ways this happens. 1. Unwanted feelings. 2. Unmet needs. 3. Past traumas. 1. Unwanted feelings. Sometimes as we grow up, we encounter feelings that society or others consider bad or unacceptable. By pushing away the feeling, we inevitably push away the part of us that is feeling that way. 2. Unmet needs. When our needs for love, safety, or belonging aren't met, a part of us may feel abandoned, unworthy, or neglected. This part can get exiled as we try to cope with life's challenges. 3. Past traumas. Traumas, big T or small t, come with unprocessed feelings and emotions. From those situations, our parts can also take on extreme beliefs about themselves and the world. The parts carrying those extreme beliefs and emotions become exiled as a way for us to survive and keep going on with our lives. IFS gently guides us to heal and reintegrate these parts, bringing us closer to inner harmony. Join our IFS EXILES Bootcamp to learn how to communicate with your exiles and inner child more effectively. For more information, please check our website, ifsguide.com.